Hello guys, I am Krishna and I welcome you again on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 Code of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is kind of easy one. It is related to object-oriented programming in Python. As I already discussed with you, the advantages of using object-oriented programming in Python. Not in Python, in any programming language, object-oriented programming, it is kind of important. So we'll take a look at some example today. It is kind of easy one. So what I'll do, I'll create a method. I hope you all know about method because I've discussed many times about method and functions. Okay, so I'll create a method and let's name it main. And in this method, I'll create an object of class A. I haven't defined class A, so I'll just define class A. So let me define class A. And in this class, let's make a constructor. So for making a constructor, it is kind of easy. You have to add def and double underscore init double underscore and in the brackets. What it does, class A, let's say it has a variable test. So what it does, it just inserts a variable. And let's say it can be equal to 0. Okay. So in this main method, what I did, I created an object of class A and which is named count. And let me define a variable, let's say k, and let's say its value is 0. And what I'll do now, I'll make one more method. Let's say it add, and it gets two parameter which is c and k. And what it does, it just adds one to this test as well as a as well as k. Okay, so test so what it will do, it will just add 1 to the test variable of object c. Okay. And what it does, it just increments by 1. Let's say in this main method, I am creating a for loop. Let's say for 0 to 25. What I'll do, I'll create this add method 25 times. So for doing that, I'll just call this add function and pass 2 parameters in it. Let's say first parameter is gonna be the class which I created, which is count. And let's say our variable is k. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just print test equal to let's say now. I'll just print the value of k also. If we run this code, what should be the output? Yeah, you try to figure out what should be the output in the following case. And you have 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. Okay, if we run this code, it won't give any output. Why? Because this code, it is defining class main, and in Python we have to call this main class to for our code to work. our code won't work unless we call this main class. So what I do, I'll just call this main class, and if we look at the output, you can see the value of count.test is equal to 25 and value of k is 0. Why there is a increment? There is an increment in value of count.test but not the value of k. Why is it so? So if we look over here, in this, when we call this add function, we are passing count and k. So the visibility of this count, it is public. It is not private or default. It is public. So any change we make here to the count.test or here, it will reflect in our output. So that's why it is coming out to be 25. So what we are doing, we are just adding 25 times to the value of c.test. That's why it is coming out to be 25. But if we look at k, the k here and the k here, these are different. It is not public. That's why the value of k over here and the value of k over here, this will be different. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Like, it is not very difficult one. It is kind of easy topic, and the question was easy. It was not very tough. Also, this program, it has no error. Here test, it is a member of class, so that's why it has like different visibility. While k is not any member of the class. It is just in the main method. So the value of k outside that main method, it will be totally different. It won't be the same as the value of k inside the main method. So any change we make in value of k outside this main method, so it will be different. So hence test, it keeps getting incremented 25 times, and whereas k, it remains 0. As you can look over here, I have defined the value of k 0. It is in the main method. So any changes we make in the value of k outside this main method won't reflect any changes in this value of k inside this main method. That's why the value of k is coming out to be 0. And if we just print value of k over here, it will be different. See, it is just adding 1 1 1 because value of k is 0. It is incrementing 1, and again our code goes, value of k, it is again reset to 0. It is incrementing 1, so it is 1. So it will happen 25 times. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. And you can also rewind the video, take another look at it. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.